Welcome to HTM Education. Today we will solve this problem. Use PEMDAS rule. Most of the people solve this by wrong way. Today we will solve this by two ways. First by wrong way and second by correct way. 60 divide 5 into 7 minus 5 equal to 2 whole square. Now 60 divide 5 into 2 square equal to 4. 60 divide 5 fours are 20 and 60 divided by 20 equal to 3. But this is wrong. Now solve this by correct way. Use PEMDAS rule. P for parenthesis, E for exponents, M for multiply, D for divide, from left to right. Then addition and subtraction also from left to right. First solve parenthesis. 60 divide 5 into 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 equal to 2 whole power 2. 60 divide 5 exponent. So 2 square equal to 4. 60 divide 5 multiply 4. Because bracket are grouping symbol, but 4 is a single number. So we can write this expression pi into 4 equal to 5 multiply 4. Most of the people incorrect guessed it. So solve, divide and multiply. Multiply, divide are given from left to right rule. So divide first. 60 divide 5 equal to 12. Multiply 4. Now last phase 12 multiply 4. 12 fours are 48. Use equality symbol for each step. So 48 is the correct answer. If you like this video, share with friends, follow and subscribe HTM Education. Thank you.